This smart factory reproduces a collaborative environment to study concepts related to Industry 4.0, integrating small-scale subsystems commonly found in a real manufacturing and production line. It's addressed to mechatronics, automation, manufacturing and production technicians, technical and vocational schools, robotics, telecommunication and electronics engineering. Composed of electronic boards and simulators, covering 4 typical applications such as RFID to product traceability, 5-axis robotic arms for introduction to robotics, conveyor belt with PLC for automation and programming, and semi-automatic warehouse for inventory management and sorting algorithms. Using an open-source microcontroller, it will be able to perform activities covering topics on automation and robotics, communication protocols, IoT, sensor and actuators of a production system related to Industry 4.0. The whole system is controlled by an open industrial SCADA software that communicates with all the subsystems and shows the data from the sensors, status and system control in real time. It is structured to follow a simulated manufacturing process, receiving information from the user and generating report files that can be accessed and supervised remotely.